Hello and welcome guys. In this video I will show you how to use an external LCD screen that you can buy separately for your Yi Action camera original. Now the Xiaomi camera is an action camera and originally came out before the 4K one that's out now. So this one original does not have an LCD screen, but you can purchase this external LCD screen. Now let's have a look. Now you're gonna have to have a brand new battery inside, and let's connect it. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna line up these two inputs and you're gonna connect it to the back of the camera. Okay, so this is exactly what it looks like in the back. Then you're gonna turn on the camera, so let's turn it on. Alright, so now you can see, without having a phone, you can actually have an LCD screen, albeit it's really small, real tiny in the middle, and you can turn it off and on right with this button here. So if you wanted to shut it off, you can shut it off right there. As you see, it turns it off, and if you wanted to turn it back on, there you go, and then it turns on. Alright, so it's directly powered by the battery inside the camera, so you don't need to charge it or anything else. It'll work just fine. So if you don't have a phone and you're looking to use the Xiaomi Yi Original with an external LCD screen, there it is. So I hope you guys found this useful, and I will link where you can purchase this in the description of the video. Now if you found this useful, please let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to hear from you. Alright, thanks a lot. See you on the next one. Bye.